The last room I want to show you is the one that probably has the best Friday nights in its memory. Room 14 was the family's TV room, tucked right behind the kitchen. Now it's a ground floor king with a private entrance and patio, and it's another one of our pet-friendly rooms. It's worth noting that unlike room 18 and room 16, this one doesn't have an interior entrance into the main house. The private entrance is the entrance, which, as I'll get to, is part of the appeal. When my family lived in this section of the house, the TV room was the informal center of things for us. It's not where you had guests. It's not where you had serious conversations. It's where you laid down to digest after dinner. And on Friday nights, it was where we ordered pizza and watched a movie together. That room had a quality to it that I think about when I make design decisions. The sounds of the kitchen nearby, nobody performing anything. You could just be in it. There's a kind of comfort that comes from a room with no performance pressure, where nothing is asking you to appreciate it. Room 14, in its best version, should still feel like that. And here's what happened most recently. This past January, during a cold snap, a pipe froze and then thawed, and then leaked into room 14's carpet. Old houses make their own renovation schedules. We had planned to update this room anyway. The pipe just moved everything up the calendar, abruptly, and not particularly on my terms. I described it at the time as the room rising from the ashes like a sopping wet phoenix. But being forced to pull the carpet gave us the chance to make the room what it always wanted to be. A forced renovation, a clear outcome. A quiet ground floor sanctuary that still feels like a private back parlor. Not a room to impress, not a theme room. A composed, calm den of a room that happens to have a king bed. Some rooms are designed to impress you. This one is designed to let you relax. The walls are a warm neutral that reads almost like plaster in south-facing afternoon light. It doesn't fight anything in the room. It just settles. We layered a wool rug over the new carpet, muted tones of cream and browns. The layering adds acoustic softness, visual grounding, and that collected quality that makes a room feel inhabited rather than staged. The seating was deliberate. 2 comfortable chairs with a proper table between them, oriented for actual use for conversation, for reading, for having somewhere to put a drink, not just placed near the fireplace as decoration. In a lot of hotel rooms, chairs are furniture. These ones are for sitting in. And even the entrance and patio. Room 14 has its own exterior door. You arrive, come straight into your room, and the house is nearby if you want it, but you never have to step foot in there if you don't want to. Morning coffee on the patio, an easy walk to the pool or gardens, late returns without worrying about disturbing anyone. If you're traveling with a dog, that private entrance makes early walks and late evenings very easy. The gas fireplace is there, and it's real. On a fall or winter evening, it changes the room.